Hi, I'm Terry with Puro 3, and I'm excited to tell you about our Ozone Infused deodorant. We start with organic jojoba and organic coconut oils and infuse them with high purity ozone. These ozone infused oils form the foundation of our carefully crafted line of deodorants. We then blend aloe vera and other natural botanicals to create a smooth, absorbing deodorant that's designed to last all day. Ozone is an all-natural substance known for its powerful antimicrobial properties and its ability to neutralize odors. Applied to clean, dry underarms, allow about 1 minute for the deodorant to absorb into the skin. Once absorbed, you're ready to go, feeling clean and confident all day. Since this formula is oil-based, it's best to give it a moment to set before coming into contact with clothes. This helps prevent transfer and ensures long-lasting freshness. At Puro 3, our products are made in a state-of-the-art facility with organic, plant-based ingredients and no harsh, unnecessary additives. Puro 3's ozone-infused deodorant comes in a variety of scents, including orange and bergamot. Discover how Puro 3's ozone-infused deodorant can keep you feeling fresh throughout the day. Simple, safe, and pure. Wellness powered by ozone.